So the last time I was at this little creek right here, this right off the edge here, right over there was a small alligator, and I could see some nice sized fish in there. I can see some swimming around right now, and so I decided to give it a try, and I wasn't having any luck, and about the only thing I had left to try was a frog I had. I threw that frog in there, and in a split second that alligator come off the log, jumped over, got that frog, and basically swim off with my frog. And in this picture you can see the alligator has the frog in his mouth. So I've just decided to come back by here and check it out and see if I can catch anything here today. I'm going to start out using the Ned rig, because I saw some bass swimming around over here. Hopefully I don't get this hung up out here. Holy crap. Man, he hit that one when it hit the water. Oh, come on. I got him hung up in a tree. Come on. Ah, man. Dang it. You see that crap? Shoot. That is a nice sized brim right there. Ah, come here. Got him. That is a nice sized brim. So I switched over. I got hung up with the Ned rig again and lost another one. So I switched over to my Zebco 33, and what I'm using is there's a snake down there. I don't know if you can see it, but right down there, I'm going to try to zoom in on my phone. Yeah, I want to leave him alone. I'm going to move my stuff over here. I'm not 100% sure if that's a snake, but it sure looks like one. Oh yeah, I can see. Oh goodness, yeah. So I'm going to move away from him for a little bit. But what I was using was just these Berkley Powerbait power honey worms with my Zebco 33 and caught that one. Yeah, that snake's got me a little nervous now. But I'm going to leave him alone and maybe he'll leave me alone. That's a little one. That's a little tiny one right there. They are pretty fish. Got me another nice little brim. Again, it was on the Berkley Power honeyworm. Alright, well, I'm back at the house. I had to call it a day. I broke off on my Ned rig 3 times and lost 3 jig heads, and then I broke off on my Zebco. But what I had the most luck with was this Powerbait Power honeyworms. They're just little tiny plastic worms, and the little sunfish was tearing those up, so those were working pretty well. Just want to say thanks for watching, and until next time, get out there and cast your cares away.